Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. In this video, we are going to be covering huge turbo news. We are also going to be covering, small US economic news that's going to be happening tomorrow. But technically, when you see this, it could be out already because it is happening at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. And then, of course, we are going to cover what the candles are saying. Where are the good buy prices? Should you jump in now? Should you wait? What is happening? Is Turbo still safe? And, where is Turbo going to be in the near future? All of those questions will be answered in this video. But without further ado, let's jump right into the news. Bang, right? Another partnership, ladies and gentlemen. We're excited to partner with Turbo, the first AI generated meme coin, fully decentralized, blending digital art excellence, Web3 innovation, and community empowerment. Guys, another collab, another partnership. This is huge, right? This is fantastic. Turbo consistently is putting in the work. It is one of the most active coins I personally see out there. And trust me, I follow a good amount of coins. And I just every other day, it just seems like something new is happening, right? Whether it's a small win, a medium win, or a big win, right? Something new is happening consistently with Turbo. It is beautiful, right? It is just absolutely beautiful. So let's just see what these people are about. So pretty much you can buy travel products and gift cards in 195 countries without exposing your personal data. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So that is pretty good, right? Like I said, any win is a good win. And as you can see, you can get some type of card, you can get gift cards, you could get some kind of membership, you could buy their coin. And let's see this X Traveler, for example. I want to look at this. This is my first time seeing this, right? This is my first time seeing this. But from my understanding is that you can be getting, anything travel related, like trips with, this X Hype, right? And Turbo is partnering with them. I believe, you know, you're using the Turbo coins to purchase this, if I'm not mistaken, from my understanding. That is the research that I have done. And we can see, damn, that is very, very nice. 6,500, right? So I'm not going to obviously buy this, but we accept more than 140 cryptocurrency. So Turbo is one of them now. Turbo is one of them, which just gives Turbo a little bit more purpose, right? Turbo already has a good amount of purpose. Obviously, the main thing is it's meme coin and then it's AI, but it's doing all these partnerships and innovations and being in all these different narratives, that it's slowly converting very slowly, right? Not super fast, but slowly converting from a meme coin to some type of utility coin, right? It's no longer just a meme coin. It is more than that. It is multiple things. And this is what I like. It is literally in so many different narratives. It is with so many different partnerships. I like the future of Turbo. This is why I say this is going to be a top 5 meme coin. I don't care what anyone says. The data is right here in front of us. We can see when we go on the charts how beautiful they have been over the last few months, right? I'm just gonna put it in. I'm gonna say in the most noobish way. They've just been wavy, right? And every time they've been wavy, they've been creating higher and higher waves, more impactful, more intense. And I'm telling you, this coin is going to go nuclear. I still believe overall with Turbo, generally speaking, that we're gonna have two more big waves. One's going to be very big, and then it's going to do what it's have to do. And then during altcoin season, the next one is going to be the gigantic wave. Now, do I know where exactly it's going to land? No, I don't know 100%. I speculate, around the mid 20s area is a high probability. But of course, we will break things down in the moment, right? When in the future, when it's time to sell, right? When altcoin season is happening, Turbo will take us where it has to take us. And then based off the candlesticks, based off the charts, based off the data and the timing of the market, we're going to have to say, okay, is this the end of Turbo or will it continue going up? We don't get to decide that, right? At the end of the day, we don't get to decide that. I wish I could decide for this coin to go to $100. I think all of us would be very, very happy, but it's just not realistic due to the market cap. And obviously, I am literally not controlling the market. I probably have zero influence, right? If anything, I have influence over a few people that watch my videos based off the data I present to them, based off what I say, based off the technical analysis, based off a few other things. If it looks like it's a bunch of green flags and things they like, then they may purchase the coin because they agree with me with the video, right? I always say I'm not a financial advisor, but we can still share the same type of thought, right? Okay, this coin is good here, 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 here. Okay, I like this. You like this. All right, I guess we like this. That's just the name of the game. But I don't control these markets, right? So we don't know where exactly it's going to end up. Of course, like I said, I want it to end up super, super high. Now, right, before we dive into the charts, right, we are going to look at this, right? So pretty much this isn't going to impact, make or break Turbo or any crypto coin. But if the news is good and positive for us, then we will get, better price action, I would say. Even though sometimes news may be good, there still can be manipulation where we dip during the news and then recover. Speaking about dipping, we did dip a decent amount. We did not hit exactly this area here, but we did, retrace. We did retrace a decent amount. We didn't hit our target. This is why I say, when something is just in a good or great or excellent price, just pull the trigger, right? When the context is there, when we know that, okay, we are in the bull run, even though things may be down now, overall in the bigger picture, things are looking great. We still have an altcoin season yet. We have the most crypto innovation there has ever been, right? Countries are adopting, right? We're probably getting the most money ever, right? When we see something at a great price, obviously, like I said, not financial advisor, but you should be generally pulling the trigger, unless of course you're out of money, right? Of course. But that's why I say, I was looking at this area at 0.075. I had a buy order here. And then when I woke up and looked at the price, it was even lower by an extra like not even 4%. And I bought even more because that's just the name of the game. So generally speaking, is Turbo a great time to buy? Well, I'm going to paint this picture very quickly and we could break this down together. You don't need to have any knowledge. You just literally have to use your eyes and just don't overthink. We can see this is a floor, right? So in general, I'm just going to give you the hint that this is going to be generally the lowest price you're going to get for Turbo, right? Roughly in this rectangular box, roughly where this red line is going up and down. When we look at Turbo's highs, we see it over here. Now, generally speaking, right? If someone said, does this look like a great time to buy? And you see, okay, in general, we should not go really below this rectangle. We are just slightly above it. Is it a good time to buy? The answer should be yes. The answer should be yes. And that's it. It's that simple, right? We see the highs are over here. We see we are near the relevant lows. Okay, you buy Turbo. Okay, if it goes down a little bit more, maybe you want to put in even just a little bit more. And you know what? If it continues going down, which it shouldn't based off technical analysis, something would have to go wrong with Bitcoin. We would have to be wrong pretty much about altcoin season. Then that's when you have to readjust your plan. But nothing suggests at this moment that we are going to be going down, right? Historically, it's been the same thing, right? Turbo had a floor. We respected the floor. We've gone up. Turbo makes some kind of floor, respects the floor, goes up. It's just the name of the game. People just get scared. They just need a lot of confirmation bias. They need to see green, green, green. And then they're like, okay, finally I buy. This is why most people lose in these markets. So what is next, right? Overall, on the micro move, a little bit of a dip, but in general, we are looking to be going to the upside. We're going to be looking to overtake these levels over here of pretty much 1 cent, a little bit more than 1 cent, and these, right? These are the three key levels, right? On a smaller time frame, we have already created higher highs and higher lows, right? We have a low, we have a high, a lower high, a higher high. So we are kind of staircasing our way out. But on a bigger level, right, bigger scale, we do kind of want to go above the 1 cent mark, right? Create some kind of high here and just do something like a staircase like this. And in general, we will be doing that, right? We know Bitcoin's recovering. The Bitcoin dominance is fairly kind of high right now. So not all altcoins are going to be pumping, but it is looking good in general. That is it, ladies and gentlemen, right? That is it. I hope you guys did enjoy. I love you so, so much. And ladies and gentlemen, I'll talk to you guys next time. Goodbye.